against it, but I'm still telling, for not too much expense, if the state can employ translators, they can probably give the judgments at least in the local languages. Okay, so that is one about responsiveness. You should think about this because we tend to get stuck in this. That is why when I started, मैंने बोला कि अपनी भाषा में बात करो, क्योंकि मुझे पता है जहाँ पर भी मैं देखा हूँ, we are most expressive in our own respective languages. ठीक है, आई एम अ सिटी ब्रेड पर्सन, तो मेरे को अंग्रेजी आता है, आई कैन बी कंफर्टेबल, बट आई हैव सीन पीपल आर वेरी नेचुरल व्हेन दे स्पीक देयर बेस्ट, इट कम्स आउट इन देयर लोकल लैंग्वेज. ठीक है, या
when we talk of responsiveness and if we go on looking at every local language and every person and how he understands, there are also people who cannot read.
Yeah.
So how do you respond to that?
See, obviously the attempt. See, I'm not saying the last. See, you can never get everybody in the same net, right? Your attempt should be, can I do more? So suppose I am the High Court in Telangana, I should translate my judgments in Telugu. I'm not saying it should be translated to Manipuri, for example, right? It should be done. If I can do one more, I'll do Tamil. If I can do one more, I'll do something else. But at least I should start with one more, or Hindi, or Telugu, Tamil, whichever is relevant in Telangana area. If I am the Supreme Court, then I should see what's happening. I'll come to something else, and this is, see, what I'm saying, don't take it in face value. This is just to stir some thought. It should make you think. Don't come to conclusions कि इसने बोल दिया तो ये सही है या फिर इसने कुछ गलत बोल दिया. Just I'm trying to make you question your assumptions of some things. And I've taken the example of the judicial system because if you see, I'm a business student, so ease of doing business might not matter to a lot of you. What is India's ranking? It came down under 100, so 120 whatever. Okay. Why are we lagging? Do you know? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप बजट आप लोग कम सुनते होंगे, उसके पहले देर इज एन इकोनॉमिक सर्वे गिवन. इन द इकोनॉमिक सर्वे दिस ईयर देर इज अ स्पेशल चैप्टर ऑन जुडिशरी. वाई आर वी लैगिंग इन द ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेसेस? आर जुडिशियल सिस्टम सक्स. ठीक है, सॉरी फॉर द वर्ड. वी आर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट लैगिंग कंट्रीज. आई थिंक 160 कंट्रीज में 131 वी आर ऑन जुडिशियल सिस्टम की रैंकिंग. कितने कोर्ट केस पेंडिंग है इस देश में? 3.5 करोड़ केस पेंडिंग है. 3.5 करोड़ केस पेंडिंग है. इट इज एंड इट इज नॉट रिड्यूसिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक अरे कम हो रहा है, कुछ साल में सॉल्व हो जाएगा प्रॉब्लम. डिस्पाइट इंडिया बीइंग अ लेस लिटिगेंट कंट्री, यू डोंट फाइंड लिटिगेशन. सब लोग सुलझा देते हैं बात ऐसे ही. यू गो टू यूएस, पार्किंग का टिकट लग रहा था, टेलिंग हिम आई गो टू कोर्ट, राइट? अगर पार्किंग का वायलेशन होगा तो आई गो टू कोर्ट. एवरीथिंग गोज टू कोर्ट. योर मैरिज गोज टू कोर्ट, योर चाइल्ड गोज टू कोर्ट, एवरीबडी गोज टू कोर्ट. हियर पीपल डोंट गो टू कोर्ट एज मच, येट वी हैव 3.5 करोड़ पेंडिंग केसेस. वेयर आर द मैक्सिमम पेंडिंग केसेस? Which level of the judiciary? 90% cases are pending in district courts. 3 करोड़ केस तो वहीं पेंडिंग है almost. So that is the level of the problem we have. Okay. So there is something wrong. So definitely जो ये बड़ा जोक है ना, तारीख पे तारीख वाला, I don't know how many have seen Sunny Deol का वो clip. It is a big pain for people. I mean, we should understand the pain of the people. Somehow I feel the lawyer community doesn't appreciate this as much. People go through immense trouble, right, for getting the particular जो भी उनको justice बोलेंगे ना, न्याय के लिए people struggle a lot. But they don't have confidence. If there is an institution which is least respected, जिससे सबसे ज़्यादा डर लगता है लोगों को, इस जुडिशरी, कि कोई बोल दिया कि केस, अरे मेरी गाड़ी ठुक गई ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पे, वो बोलेगा सर यहीं सुलझा दो वरना कोर्ट जाना पड़ेगा. अरे कोर्ट कहाँ जाएगा यार, अभी सुलझा दो, जितना लेना है ले वो पैसा मेरे से. ऐसे ही होता है. मैक्सिमम पीपल ट्राई टू अवॉइड कोर्ट्स, वाइल कोर्ट शुड बी वेलकमिंग बिकॉज दे आर गिविंग यू जस्टिस. है कि नहीं? सो देयर समथिंग रॉन्ग समवेयर, that if this important institution of the democracy is losing the confidence of the people, there's a problem. That is where the mafia comes in, because we will give you justice. लैंड खाली करवानी है, कोर्ट क्यों जाओगे, मैं खाली करवाता हूँ. क्या है वो मूवी जिसमें होता है क्या, घोसला का घोसला. ठीक है, nobody wants to go to court, everybody goes to the local gunda to solve the problem. reality है lot of places muscle works and money works. Ideally the court should be resolving these issues. Okay, so it is a satire on the system actually. ठीक है. Effectiveness, efficiency, fine. Okay, we can come to that. How much time typically does a civil case take to get resolved? अंदाज़ा बोलो. 10 years. हाँ, तो अलग अलग केसेस इन अलग अलग टाइप्स टेक टाइम. Why do they get delayed? कोई अंदाजा है? You should know this. Why do they get delayed?
So I have just one question.
Sure.
You said that people are nowadays not respecting judiciary. Like अभी आपने बोला कि कहीं केस सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. तो सर इसका अगर दूसरे वे में अगर सोचो तो ये भी तो हो सकता है कि वो लोग डर भी रहे हैं उनके डिसीजन से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम लोग ट्रैफिक सिग्नल क्रॉस रेड लाइट पे कर देते और किसी ने पकड़ लिया अपन तो
मैं ये नहीं पूछ रहा, आप आपका पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस बताओ कि ऐसा कुछ होगा तो आप कोर्ट जाओगे क्या?
सर तो वही है ना कि
नहीं, पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस बताओ, क्योंकि पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस कैन नॉट बी रॉन्ग.
ऐसा नहीं जाएंगे क्योंकि वही
क्यों?
सॉल्व कर
क्यों?
देंगे, क्या पैसे ले लो.
क्यों?
नहीं
क्यों? आप सही हो, आप ही गाड़ी किसी ने ठोकी, आप सही हो, आप गलत नहीं हो. अब गलत हो कोर्ट जाने में, अरे यार मेरे अगेंस्ट केस हो जाएगा तो प्रॉब्लम है. आप सही हो तो आप कोर्ट जाओगे कि मेरे को इससे पैसा निकलवाना है, ये तो भाग गया, मैं तो कोर्ट जाऊंगा. नहीं, कोई भी भागा या फिर आपका हो गया 1000 का नुकसान, उसने 200 दिए, आपको लगता है कि नहीं मुझे 1000 मिलने चाहिए, मेरी गाड़ी का नुकसान हो गया तो आपको चाहिए, तो आप कोर्ट जाओगे क्या?
सर अगर मैं अपना पर्सनल भी बोलूं तो नहीं चाहूंगी, पर
क्यों? क्यों? दैट्स ऑल. क्यों?
क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहूंगी कि अब इतनी लंबी प्रोसीडिंग्स चले.
इतनी बात है, इतनी बात है. तो ये तो बहुत छोटी सी बात होगी ना, आपके 1000 रुपये का नुकसान हो गया. लोगों का बहुत नुकसान होता है, ज़मीन कब्जे हो जाती है, जस्टिस नहीं मिलता है, किसी को नौकरी नहीं मिलती, किसी को पेंशन नहीं मिलता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही रहा है, राइट, इन अ कंट्री लाइक आर्स. तो पीपल आर नॉट गोइंग एज मच येट इट इज़ हैविंग अ सिवियर डिले प्रॉब्लम. ये ट्रू है. प्राइमरी डिले से कारण, डिलेज इज वन थिंग, आई विल कम टू मोर थिंग्स, राइट. लैंग्वेज इज अ सेकेंड थिंग.
It's also because a lot of loopholes that the defense lawyers can exploit.
You don't know. At the same time, because there are delays, the wrong person goes to court. कोर्ट चले जाओ, स्थगित हो जाएगा मामला. ठीक है, होता है ना. Let's go to court. It emboldens the wrong person, is desensitizes the good person usually, because if I have to take it to court and stall the process, I might be wrong, but I know it will take 20 years for whatever reason. Suppose, then it is giving the wrong incentives. कई बार मैं गलत हूँ, मैं आपको क्यों दूँ फाइन, चलो कोर्ट चलो बोलता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मुझे नहीं देना है पैसा, टाइम लग जाएगा केस रिजॉल्व होने में. कई बार होता है, राइट. सो देर आर इश्यूज अराउंड दिस एंड आई डोंट नो इफ आई हैव इनफ टाइम, बट आई विल कम टू सम थिंग्स लेटर. ओके, नाउ effectiveness, efficiency we can come to. So why do court cases take time? Can we say? See, I'm taking, though I'm not a legal guy or a law background, my computer science background ko, I'm taking examples so that I can get a response from all of you. So you tell me, civil case, criminal case छोड़ दो, civil case में time क्यों लगता है बताओ? What are your reasons? कुछ पता है? CPC पढ़ा है? नहीं, अभी चैप्टर नहीं आया, पर क्यों लगता है टाइम? जजेस नहीं है. कितने जज चाहिए? रेशियो क्या? रेशियो किससे रेशियो निकालोगे? पॉपुलेशन पर जज कम है और होना चाहिए, होगा तो नहीं, तो क्या करेंगे? अरे नहीं मिल रहा है जज भैया, जज भर रहे क्या? कितना 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 वैकेंसी है डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट्स में? Some 50% vacancy, some big amount of vacancy is there. 5500 judges should be there. कुछ तो है, कुछ तो उसमें 2500 ही सीट भरे हैं. एग्जिस्टिंग में ही 2500 नहीं मिल रहे भैया आपको, आप कहाँ से जज लेकर आओगे? Educate the masses for what? So you should see, what I'm trying to do here is make you think. These are real issues. Let's not get disconnected from that. These are genuinely big issues. 3 crore cases are pending in the district courts, and you are telling me we should add judges.
So we can.
It could be a generation का project, हो सकता है, but even that is false. I'll come to that later. But it is not judges वाला problem. Suppose judge है, ठीक है, मान लो इतने ही जज है यार और कुछ नहीं कर सकते. ये judges efficient है क्या? Process efficient है क्या? ये बताओ मुझे. Where is the inefficiency? What? Tell me where in the process there is inefficiency. Limitation on what?
On the time period when a matter is to be disposed or resolved.
So we have some, so you think there should be a time period for resolving of cases? Time bound?
At least the less grave ones in nature.
Commercial court सुना है लोगों ने? Recently, they've started commercial courts, particularly to solve these problems. Any business dispute should be resolved in so much time. They're commercial courts, they're fast-track courts, they have time limits. You think it should be extended? Some people are feeling uncomfortable. Kaise, sir? How can there be a time limit? It should be. Should not be. Should not be. Why should there be a time limit on cases? There should be. So don't put I'm not even saying put a time limit on the case. I'm saying put a time limit on specific stages of the case. Summons issue किया है तो भैया आपको आना है. Summons आता है तो लोग भाग जाते हैं. They will not acknowledge the summons. All of you know this, right? So something Bombay High Court is now sending summons on WhatsApp. ठीक है, क्योंकि लेटर जब जाता है कोर्ट की तरफ से, वो आदमी घर पे नहीं रहता है, वो बोलता है नहीं है बता दो, होता है ना, उस कोर्ट में आना है, आएगा नहीं, एडजर्न्ड, कभी वो विटनेस नहीं आएगा, कभी लॉयर नहीं आएगा, कभी कोई बीमार, यू कैन कीप एक्सटेंडिंग. एडजर्नमेंट्स हैपन ड्यू टू विटनेस एब्सेंटिज्म, कभी तो जज भी नहीं आता, राइट? सो देयर सो मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स विच हैपन. So can you put time-bound limits on respective stages? Or if witness absenteeism happens so much, then we can. There is already provisions for this. It is not being properly implemented. So process is inefficient. So same judge, जितने judge अपने पास है, probably they can dispose twice as many cases. ठीक है? और मिल जाएंगे तो बढ़िया. But existing judges efficient है क्या पूछ रहा हूँ मैं? Not because of their problem. They are giving their full time. Probably because of the system, the way processes are made. So you should look into and see which processes are not efficient and how they can be reformed and who should reform them. ठीक है? So that is one of my research also कि to identify कि actually delay कहाँ हो रहा है.
For example, some acts which are not very easy to understand, like PNDT, MTP cases and NDPS, narcotic drugs and those भ्रूण हत्या वाले जो मामले होते हैं, उन एक्ट्स को ही कभी पुलिस ने, इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर्स ने, जजेस ने ठीक से पढ़ा ही नहीं है, because these are also very latest. So knowledge gap is also there. Knowledge gap is there, so yeah. जब स्पेशल क्रिमिनल केसेस, जब इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल मामले होते हैं कि पुलिस का सपोर्ट चाहिए, तो वो तो सबसे ज़्यादा डिले होता है. जब पुलिस की तरफ से प्रूफ भी चाहिए, पुलिस हमेशा डिले लगाती है कि नहीं वो हम प्रूफ लेकर नहीं आ पाए, हम उसको पकड़ ही नहीं पाए. तो वो इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल
इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल इश्यूज आर देयर. एविडेंस कलेक्शन में टाइम लगता है, पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट कोऑपरेट नहीं करता है, कई बार बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है, टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ नहीं होता है, विटनेस को प्रेजेंट करना है तो वाई कांट यू डू इट ओवर व्हाटएवर वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच आर बीइंग प्रपोज्ड. वेरी रिसेंटली टू सम लेवल CCTV कैमरास का कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंटल चीज़ स्टार्ट हुई है, राइट? Everything else is open to scrutiny. Why can't your Supreme Court or your court halls be open to scrutiny? What's wrong? You can sit, a media person can sit there and tweet, but somehow you cannot show me a video stream. Matlab, what is the kind of mental block we have? Why are we not entitled to know what's happening in the courtroom? ठीक है, पता होना चाहिए ना. So why is the judiciary so resistant to being open and able to share? हम थोड़ी ना बोल रहे हैं आपको जजमेंट चेंज करो, बट वॉट यू आर सेइंग देयर शुड बी हर्ड बाय द कंट्री. दैट्स व्हेन द प्रेशर गोज ऑन देम. ठीक है? सो दैट इज ऑल्सो सम लेवल ऑफ अकाउंटेबिलिटी. So let's come to accountability. For example, all the collegium fans in the room, okay, is the collegium accountable to the people? Can I question? Okay, चलो collegium ही सही, NJAC नहीं पसंद आया आपको, ठीक है, but at least justify how you chose these people. Do you give a justification? Why were these people chosen? As I am going to come to you to seek justice, I need to know, right? Ki what is your criteria for selection? Please tell me. It's not justified. This question is not justified. What is wrong in sharing the reasoning that you chose these 5 people and you didn't choose these 5 people?
Sir,
why should it be so closed?
Doesn't it come down to the very first thing that you pointed out about the positive attitude, wherein the government places its trust on the people कि ये लोग cheating नहीं करेंगे, इनको self attestment करने दो. So similarly, we need to place that trust कि ये लोग justice देंगे, इनको वहाँ बैठने दो.
But
so doesn't it come down to the very first point that you made?
That is true. But there, see, is it pro people? When I said good governance, it is pro people. You trust the people, right? No, okay, you are there. So as people, you are saying, let us trust them. Right. But I am saying, so you be proactive in sharing why you took this decision. I am not saying change the decision, right? We took the decision in the following criteria. The collegium decided so. Reveal it proactively. We can't do much. See, today, whatever I say, I can't do much because anyway, it's a very closed system. They will choose to do what they are doing. Can they be more open? for example, I was just talking to Radhika about this. So all the elected representatives have to share what information when they file their nomination? They have to share assets, educational background, criminal background, assets of the family also, I'm guessing, right? Why can't my judge reveal that? Is he not a public servant? What is wrong in me asking? Are you beyond any type of scrutiny? I'm not pointing a finger and blaming you that you could be wrong. But if the same benchmark you're applying to a politician and you question every small thing about them, and then you have laws to fast track courts and all these different things, why can't voluntarily? How many Supreme Court judges have voluntarily revealed their assets? Or High Court judges?
So maybe because the politicians who disclose their credentials have no other criteria to be chosen there. We know for sure that the judge who's sitting there has cleared certain exams and he is an educated person and he has the ability to sit there. He's in somewhat ways he's qualified, but when we're talking about the politician.
So you don't think judges have cases against them? Are there no?
Then they have cases to know that something is.
I am saying, okay, so Aditya here will tell me, what was that case where they were asked to reveal their assets?
So basically अभी तक तो there are two things. तो 97 में एक resolution है. उसमें it was said कि they should reveal their assets. दूसरा 2007 में एक और केस था जिसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि they should. तो अपने पास दो गाइडलाइंस है लेकिन अभी तक दोनों.
कितने लोगों ने रिवील किया है?
Total 8.
Out of
27.
Why didn't the other 19 reveal?
And so that too in knowing.
While it has been asked by the Supreme Court themselves that the judges should reveal. Now उनके खिलाफ nobody can ask a question, right? I am just saying voluntarily reveal. I am entitled to know, right? If you are so fair, you reveal, and you have been asked. It's not the people asking. The Supreme Court itself has asked. Reveal.
So I have something to add.
Yeah.
For example, she talked about education. A person who is educated cannot. It does not give him the right to not be corrupt. Of course, white collar jobs and white collar crimes are the most prominent
But
ones.
then that doesn't dilute his efficiency in doing the job.
No. See, at the end of the day, even a politician doesn't get elected because of his his education qualifications or his assets, right? But he's a people's representative, so he's sharing his information. The Supreme Court, I'm sure, must have mandated it, and that's why he's revealing it, right? But I'm just saying it's a mindset shift. If we can question our elected representatives who makes law for us, that please let us know your background, so that we can check if something is going wrong. I can have a similar expectation of the Supreme Court as well, that please you also reveal what's wrong. I'm not saying you're wrong, but it will increase my level of trust if you can reveal it further. So I'm just saying there is some level of discomfort in the room when I try to question the judiciary, right? Because they're honorable and you're all from that background. Okay, when you go to the courts wearing your black coats and bow before them saying "My Lord," that attitude has developed. While they are also public servants, they are here to serve people. They are here to serve justice to us. I am entitled to ask, and I'll shamelessly ask. And this is what is good governance. You are supposed to tell us. I am not saying that I'm going to doubt your intentions. My confidence in you will grow further if you do it. Why didn't the 19 Supreme Court judges reveal? And why did the 8 reveal? There is something fishy. That is where when all the 3 people come and say democracy khatre mein hai, there is doubts ki what's happening behind these Supreme Court halls. Come, reveal, tell us. What's wrong in asking this? You will ask this to others. No, they are not there because of their assets. They are there because of their educational qualification and different things. Fine, I agree. You just tell you are a PhD from Harvard. Amazing. I'll get more confidence on you. I have done this following thesis. I have done this. See, my child is not getting any benefit of me. How many of you think it is true? Do you genuinely think that the families of the judges are not getting benefited? Uncle judges, enough evidence. There is a lot more evidence which is going to come. Okay. What's wrong? I am a fair guy. My family has not benefited from my position. I should confidently say that. It is there. It's for everybody. We reveal our incomes when we submit income taxes. Everything is there. The elected person, you want to even elect at a smallest level, you have to reveal your details. You are questioned on those things. please go forward and reveal, is what I'm asking. And I'm not asking for too much. I'm just placing the same benchmark I place on people who make laws in the parliament to people who are making laws in the courts. Okay. So this is what it is. Okay. Now I'll just, because I also want to close. So what do we do? How do we, if we feel that on some parameters they're doing very well, on some parameters they're not doing so very well, what I want you to broadly think is, how do we go about fixing the system? I have just thought, see, broadly I have expressed what is good governance, judicial system, probably some things are good, some things are not so good, some things have to be improved. What can we do? But I think everybody here agrees things can be improved. At least for the common man, out there on the street, things can improve. So kya kiya jaye? What should be done to make the judicial system more people friendly, more accessible, more quicker, right? क्या करें? जजेस जोड़ दो तो भैया तो जनरेशन का प्रोजेक्ट है, वो होगा नहीं, क्योंकि आप बोलोगे नंबर निकालोगे, लाइक यू सेड पॉपुलेशन टू जज रेशियो. So why are you using parameters of countries like US or something? अपना population ही यार 1/5 of the world is living in this country, ठीक है? तो it's difficult to get so many judges where existing vacancies है. तो that is out of the window. क्या करना चाहिए? Can you think of a systemic change?
So this comes from a very personal experience. आपने बोला कि personal experience की बात है. And the exact thing that you said कि हम सही हैं. मेरा whatever damages I've faced, the court can help me regain that. I'm right. I can sue the सामने वाला party. But then I still don't do it because of the time period. This happened this week. I was sent an internship letter. I was sent an offer letter, and when I traveled all the way from Varanasi to Delhi, I was denied that internship. Okay, so I was right. I had my damages. I had my stipend that they promised me written down in the letter. But then I still did not go to the court because it was too long a process, and it will take too much time, too much energy, too much money.
Too much money, time and money. Energy तो है ही time के साथ, right? This is particularly a job offer was given to you, and you are a fairly educated, aware citizen, right? And you didn't get to. You knew you could go to court, and you have friends who can take you to court, but yet you didn't go to court. This is one. Everybody has examples. If any of your relatives has gone to hospital and got a bad treatment, हो गई. आपके connection में कोई ना कोई रहेगा कि some probable wrong decision by somebody has. In US I was there, you would sue them then and there. You have lost a life because of a wrong judgment. So I'm saying right from simple job offer not being satisfied to all the way up to lives being lost, there are issues. So people are facing issues, right? Time, money, so many different resources are going into these things. So what do we do? Do we want to perpetuate this system, or can we think of a systemic change? Now sit in the shoes of a policy maker. Assume you have all the power to do what you want and you can fix this. आप बैठे हो 1947 में, क्या करोगे आप? थोड़ा फंडामेंटल सोचना है. इधर इधर ट्विंकरिंग करेंगे तो फिक्स नहीं होगा. या हाँ, हाँ, मतलब वी कैन डू ऑल दोस थिंग्स. अभी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ सिस्टमिक ओवरहॉल की. फाइन, आरटीआई के अंडर है या नहीं है पता नहीं, पता चलेगा. राइट है क्या? जुडिशरी नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? नो नो, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू क्वेश्चन. अभी तो कॉलेजियम तो वी कांट इवन टच, राइट? इतना सैक्रोसेंट है वो, राइट? बट अदर थिंग्स कैन आई क्वेश्चन, वो तो भी पता नहीं अभी मुझे, राइट? कैन आई पुट एन आरटीआई फॉर देयर एसेट्स? आई डोंट नो. ठीक है, तो मतलब ये बात भी करना ब्लास्फेमी है, राइट? आप लोग बात नहीं कर सकते, पर आई एम टेकिंग द रिस्क क्योंकि कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट लग जाएगा बिकॉज यू कांट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, तो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू से कि हाउ डू यू थिंक ऑफ अ सिस्टमिक चेंज. See, don't just be students who will graduate and go and perpetuate the whole thing again and again. आपके पहले सैकड़ों बैचेस आए, वो ग्रेजुएट हुए, लॉयर्स बने और इसी सिस्टम को मिल कर रहे हैं. इसमें बहुत लोगों का फ़ायदा है. When things get delayed, you pay me money to delay a case. आप बोलो कितना दोगे उतना डिले करूँगा मैं. ठीक है. So your community is making money banking on the inefficiency of the system. Same thing they are also enjoying, right? So now how do you change this? If you think of the country, I am assuming when you say think India, right? तो आप कुछ बदलने की सोच रहे हो ना, क्या बदलोगे? How do you start changing this? It is almost on the verge of breakdown. If you listen, genuinely think about it, people are losing trust. अगर और थोड़ा trust lose हो गया ना, तो people will not look at judiciary at all. People will solve the problems on the streets themselves. And then it will be unfair. Because the courts are supposed to give fair justice. आप लोग ही बोल रहे हो, right? So it is coming to that stage that nobody, educated, empowered people are unwilling to go to courts. तो क्या करें? I think it's an open session. You can think and tell me. I have one idea and then I'll just leave it. I'll not debate on it because it will become very hot. Huh?
Less idea about this sector, but two suggestions. One is there is absolute no monitoring of conviction. I'm talking about criminal cases, mostly conviction as well as acquittal. उस केस का क्या हुआ कोई follow up होता ही नहीं है. So there is nobody monitoring them. For example,
monitoring whom? The cases. जो लोग acquit हुए.
District judges, district courts. So district courts को कौन monitor करता है? I have no idea, and if there is any process or not. So entire process mechanism has to be built off the monitoring. I don't think anyone monitors as such.
कोई ऐसे there is some क्या बोल रही है ये? How can you monitor courts? They are supposed to be the temples of justice. How can you monitor them? How can you even?
Actually, I'm talking about.
I get it.
I'm talking about action plans, not policy as such.
Right.
Secondly.
See, for example, again just extending Radhika's point, अगर मैं करूँ, and I'll tell some radical idea, which is, I mean, the other idea is different. Suppose I rank the district courts. Data है e-courts का, है ना? If I rank the district courts in this country based on their efficiency, कि कितने आपने, see ये dashboard है, right? Dashboard कभी देखा है? ट्रेन लेट ट्रेन ऑन टाइम वगैरह वाली चीज़, ठीक है भैया? ये सब कोर्ट्स आर हाईली डिलेड, ये कोर्ट्स आर डूइंग वेल. हियर इज द रैंकिंग. इफ आई डू दिस, क्यों नहीं होता? डेटा है, ये डेटा है. आई एम अ कंप्यूटर साइंस गाई. अगर 2 महीना मिल गया ना मेरे पास, आई विल रैंक ऑल द डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट्स इन द कंट्री बेस्ड ऑन देयर एफिशिएंसी, हाउ मेनी केसेस डिस्पोज. नाउ इट मे नॉट बी द बेस्ट बेंचमार्क. आप लोग बोलोगे स्पीडी जस्टिस इज नॉट द ओनली थिंग वगैरह वगैरह, बट ब्रॉडली कुछ पैरामीटर्स है. ये रैंकिंग है भैया. ये कोर्ट्स जेन्युइनली आर लैगिंग फार बिहाइंड देन द रेस्ट. वन एग्जाम्पल. तो इट विल एड सम प्रेशर. हाँ,
all the cases are not similar.
ऑल द
Cases are not similar. Suppose
Okay,
in the case
fine.
of Guwahati, I go to
Fine. I am taking district courts and I take very simple civil courts, civil cases. In civil cases, suppose I take very simple traffic violations, or if I take something as simple as matrimonial disputes, whatever you might call it. Even in that, if I rank,
So dashboard.
so I have made all else equal. हाँ?
डैशबोर्ड के अंदर सिविल केसेस में भी मैरिज के केसेस एंड
सब कुछ है. इनकी रैंकिंग, सिमिलर केसेस की ही रैंकिंग. व्हाई डज दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्ट इन रीवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट डू सो वेल while this court in Chennai do so poorly? For example, I have written articles on this and there are things, but you can start ranking. It's very difficult. ठीक है, चलो. तो I will, तो सिस्टमिक चेंज कोई बोलना चाहता है. She is putting saying build in a competition, kind of monitor them, put a dashboard, keep it open for public perception. Public should be able to question why is my court so slow while the neighboring district are court so fast. क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर? सेम केस इतना टाइम लगता है, यहाँ पर सेम केस इतना स्लो क्यों होता है?
And I'm talking from a very personal example. So I'm working on NDPS cases, conviction, acquittal, पूरा कोर्ट के साथ जो district attorney होते हैं, they gives the data and everything. So district deputy commissioner has started monitoring them. Monitoring as in just asking कि भाई इतना time क्यों लग रहा है? And sort of it worked. I mean, it is not very systemic. Nobody is telling them to monitor. But when we started, sort of it worked. They were also like, okay, somebody is asking, deputy commissioner is asking, so we should be taking these cases on priority and get things done.
गवर्नेंस में देयर इज ऑलवेज अ डैशबोर्ड टू ट्रैक. कोई प्रोग्राम कैसे इंप्लीमेंट हो रहा है, पब्लिक को पता होना चाहिए. कितना फंड डिसबर्स हुआ, कितना क्यों नहीं हुआ, बताना पड़ता है. फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर को आके पार्लियामेंट को सबको बताना पड़ता है कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ, ऐसा ऐसा नहीं हुआ. ऑल द रिपोर्ट्स आर देयर इन पब्लिक डोमेन, राइट? वी क्वेश्चन और इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स एंड द एग्जीक्यूटिव की प्रोग्राम इतना स्लो क्यों चल रहा है, स्टेट का रैंकिंग ऐसा क्यों है, स्टेट का रैंकिंग ऐसा क्यों है, स्टेट के एजुकेशनल आउटकम्स अच्छे हैं, इसके हेल्थ आउटकम्स अच्छे हैं, इसके फार्मर सुसाइड्स के केसेस कम है, यहाँ पर पानी साफ मिलता है. ऑल दीज थिंग्स. एयर पोल्यूशन का ट्रैकिंग है, ट्रैफिक का ट्रैकिंग है, सबका ट्रैकिंग है. फॉर सम रीजन देयर इज नो ट्रैकिंग ऑफ हाउ द कोर्ट केसेस आर मूविंग. वाई कैन नॉट दैट बी इन पब्लिक डोमेन? विल मूव ऑन. हाँ,
So provide, so बाकी कंट्रीज में कैसे होता है कि एटलीस्ट इन लोअर जुडिशरीज, एंड व्हेन आई से सर मैंने इसे बाकी कंट्रीज में मतलब कि यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में यूएस के कुछ स्टेट्स में ऐसा होता है कि लोगों के बेचने के लिए देयर इज नॉट रिव्यूइंग बॉडी